as the updated version of DS708 and DS808. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808 is the most worthwhile diagnostic tool, serving the needs of professional mechanics for OE-level diagnostics, bidirectional control, and immobilizer key coding. It has the exceptional OE-level system coverage for all electronic systems application and reviewing data, including fault codes, live data, adaptation, matching, and 18 special functions. Being fast and able to operate smoothly thanks to the Android system and its 1.5 GHz Cortex A9 processor. This well-built tablet scan tool also adopts smart auto-bin technology, multitasking design, and cloud-based MaxiFix for effective diagnostic work, along with the extensive system coverage of most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and newer vehicles compliant with OBDII protocols, more than 60 brands. With no doubt, the Autel MaxiPRO MP808 packs all the features you can ask for into a fast, powerful, budget-priced professional scanner. Thank you for being a valued customer.